Yo, yo, yo. Yep. Had a long ass night, man. Fucking trying to work with these people over the phone to get my business back up. But I'm getting fucked, man. So I ended up staying 3 a.m. trying to make a whole Excel sheet, bro, just for them to return all my items to me, bro. Getting kind of annoying. We're kind of just chopping, but we're obviously holding the zone, which is really good. Yeah, very choppy. We're definitely gonna wait until we break down to one of these zones up here. And we might take a trade as soon as we get up to this zone right here. So if we touch back down here, you could see it's long in it just because we're fucking very, very choppy up there. Time is just fair value at 15 minutes, 30 minutes too, 1 hour. Yeah, that's solid. No 5 minutes, we have a 15:30 and a 1 hour. So if we tab back over here, something I would like to trade. And we might have to bring a tight ass stop loss too. Probably only be trading 3 comms in this type of market right now. It's pretty volatile today. This is something I would be shooting for though. Excuse the face, man. I told y'all, man, bro. I was fucking up like 3 a.m. trying to resolve some issues on my fucking account, bro. Not on this, but fucking my other account. Like I said, very choppy, guys. Very choppy price action. Right here. Would be a little bit of an entry, I'd say. Right here. Yeah, right here. Perfect. So we're right there in that fair value gap. We're gonna be waiting for some type of resistance we're gonna be seeing, right? Go ahead and mark out this 15-minute. Kind of what we're seeing right there, right? So if anything, we would love to see some type of movement right here. Choppy ass market right there, right? Look for some type of movement here. This would be an ideal entry right here. So yeah, perfect, but no. So, yeah. If we were to enter right there, we would be risking way too little. You see that, guys? So, not really worth it. We're gonna go ahead and look at VIX too. We might even end up going to 2 micros from this type of market. VIX stock. Actually, it's not moving that bad. Might just stay with 3. VWAP is right there though too. This trade would just be kind of tricky, so I kind of want us to go a little bit lower. That's what I'm saying. You know, this did look good for longs, right? Looks like we're kind of rejecting VWAP right here though too. Man, it's just yeah, we could take a trade, could hit, bro, but we're waiting for that good setup right here, man. We'll see, dude. Because if I go right here, we're only gonna be risking like a little bit, dude. Not really worth it. All right, not really worth it. Y'all can see. Hey guys, price action is pretty bad. You definitely did like this is not tradable right here. This looks good, man. It's just like I said, bro. We're kind of very finicky right here. This is a good zone though. We're rejecting, obviously. You see how many taps we've gone up from, but a lot of taps could also mean that we're kind of break below this too. 15-minute got respected for sure. Look at that. Dude, it's insane, honestly. That might have been a solid trade, but fuck it. Go up here. Not really good risk right there. I hate how it doesn't show my zone right here. It's my zone. I just ended up making a new one because it wasn't showing it. Alright, now we see it on my 1 minute. Ooh, look at that. Crazy gains. Crazy. We rejected again. Absolutely. Crazy kind of market we got going on right here. Yeah, see, that would have been a solid trade, dude. Sometimes I think that one we could have took it, man. View on projection, zone tap. Honestly, was an L on me, man. I did not have to wait for it to go lower. That's all right, man. Gonna live, man. It's just one trade. Just gonna wait for another. Hmm. I would have been a solid ass trade, bro. Not even gonna lie to you. Now we're back in this range again. It's not pretty. Definitely do see us breaking this zone right here, though. That what? One, two. I got a third tap into it. Let's see what we got over here. Perfect. Tie back into it, right? Kind of what we wanted right here. Definitely something. Plan is for us to kind of go back down a little bit. Possibly just keep on holding after this, man. This would just be the safest. Yeah, we could go right here. But look, this is a zone I do think we're going to end up respecting. Let's do 5-minute close up top. Let's see where we're at. Okay. We tap back into this fair reality gap, man. That should work. Should. Doesn't mean it's going to work, though. So we might just keep going up from here, honestly. Could be seeing some lower, but really want this 5-minute close first. Wanted to close red. We're gonna take a little bit of a short here. So this might be good for some shorts right here.
Order filled.
We're gonna be looking for some shorts here. We have a pinch at the top, a little bit of engulfing, but we could obviously just keep holding the zone. Another order we'll see right here. Not really that bad of a trade. I kind of like it, but only thing is we did kind of just finally re-tap into the zone, so it's kind of like, and are we really gonna dump here? Kind of deal like that. I do think it's not done though. I think it's very validated too, man. Like we had a pinch candle at 5-minute. Good supply zone. We really haven't really tapped into it, so shouldn't be waiting, man. Yo, Chris, what's up, bro? My bad if I just read it, dude. I have the chart pulled up, but yeah, Chris, missed this entry right here, man. Missed it, dude. It was too patient. VWAP retest, zone tap, zone hold, and yeah, we should have took that. Should have definitely took that long. We were targeting this right here. Let's see. All right, good candle to the downside. When it gets right here, kind of right here, we might just put stops around break even point because this was another spot. I was like, oh, we could reject this 5-minute wise. See, like right here, 5-minute wise, 1-minute wise, yeah, we could probably reject this area right here. We're going to be aiming for down here again. This is the point. All right, we could have a double bottom here. So we tapped into this 5-minute. That was a little bit of some buyers going on. Yo, what's up, Ricky Trader? What's up? What's up, man? So what we're in right now, we took it off a 5-minute pinch candle in the zone right here, right? The only thing, what I kind of don't like about this trade, man, we tapped into the zone a lot of times. We tapped into 1, 2, we tapped into like around 3 times, right? I would really count these 1, 2, 3, 4 times tapping into it. So it could really just fail us. We might just be trying to, get some buyers down here. That's the only thing we could be afraid of. But overall, and we shouldn't be waiting. Solid trade. It's just could basically go either or direction. You feel me? there. That's what we entered off of. Risky in like around 200 ticks. Not bad. MBS looks good too. Looks like we should be going down lower. We did tap into the fair value gap on both sides though, both charts on the 5 minute. Now we're kind of just chopping right here. What's up, man? Are y'all, Chris and Ricky, are y'all in anything right now? Or y'all kind of just waiting for something for y'all set up to form for y'all? I like this, man. Drop lower, went back, touched a little bit of a zone tap, right? We could be seeing something here. We could keep going down, just a little bit of a retracement. Probability of this phase, I would say it's pretty good, man. I mean, I like my odds on this. Yeah, dude, look at this. If you're trying to trade this, bro, you're insane. This is, I guess, like, this is why kind of too, man. I didn't want to really trade like this. We've been chopping a lot, dude. We could just be. Honestly, I don't know. Yeah, I would have been a good trader. Engulfing, pinch candle, right? Well, not really a pinch candle, right? But like a small itty bitty candle that got engulfed on the 1 minute. And then we had the 15-minute fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap. Yeah, that would have been a good trade. We also had a 1 minute right here too from this candle. Very validated trade from there. If we would have took it. No, I just missed my long on NQ and I want to go on tilt because of this. I just caught. Bro, yes. Bro, me too, bro. I missed the same thing. Right now, I was just waiting for a good setup though. We're near that 5% rule too, man. So we can't trade the markets whenever we go the 5%. It's like unfunded. They just won't let you. So yeah, I definitely feel that. Yeah, that's probably a smart move right there, man. Definitely. We do have a good rejection right here though too, man. We should see lower. We should, but we'll see, man. There's, like I said, this is all probability right here, man. It's really what trading is. There's no 100% win rate ever. How long have you been trading, rookie trader? And what kind of concepts do you trade? Do you trade like ICT, TJR, supply and demand? What's your little technique you like doing? But we are holding this. Not liking that too. So 19, 60. Oh, it's supposed to be up here? Oh yeah, the zone right here. Why would you have taken it right here? Questioning, yeah. Like, why would you have taken it at this area? I didn't want to take it off this just because we were chopping through the zone. I was like, a little over 2 years, not trade basically the same thing. So, okay, yeah, supply and demand. Dude, that's fire, bro. A little over 2 years. Yeah, dude, that's really, really good. Are you like profitable and all that? Or are you kind of still like in the break even phase, or are you still kind of learning kind of thing, man? I've only been trading for like a year, and well, that's a lot. I've been trading for like a year and 3 months, really. It's like 1.3 years, 1.4. I was learning all this in last year in January, man, and then in March is whenever I was really, really staying on the charts like every single day. I feel like supply and demand's a move, bro. Like it's simple, straight to it, man. It's basically what banks trade supply and demand. Will look out for liquidity and all that. So I'm like, cut 2 years of 5 minute close. That's what. Oh, okay, okay. I can see that. Yeah, okay, man. That's solid. The way I trade, man, is I go for like zones. Zone taps. I look for some VWAP taps too. And I like going for some like fair value gaps if there is some. I don't just go off of one. I like to see like multiple fair value gaps stacked on top. And I find that pretty good, man. And then we'll just go ahead and look for some double bottoms, which I feel like work a lot of times in some cases, bro. So yeah, that's kind of like my little the way that I trade, I guess you could say, bro. Excuse me if I'm tired too, man, bro. I was up fucking like 3 a.m. trying to figure out shit from my other job, dude. This shit was a headache, bro. No hope at all, bro. I should have just slept. But yeah, we'll see. Elijah, what is up, bro? You already done trading for the day, Elijah? That's another one of my trader friends, Elijah Saucedo. Pretty good. He does the TJR route, man. He went that route. A lot of people go that route, bro, but like some make some banger trades. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's definitely, you know what I mean. I feel like it's like what I said yesterday, bro. It's like kind of like pick your build, bro, and like think of it like you could be a swordsman, mage, whatever, man. The trading is basically just picking your build, man. It's a good tap right here. We're definitely gonna put some stops at break even. Like this is one of the entries I was telling y'all that it's like we could reverse off of it. Zone tap, 5 minute fair value gap. And yeah, dude, that's really it. The 5 minute fair value gap is what we're going off of. And well, there's also a 1 minute too. Yeah, I guess you could say it's tight stop loss, but we'll see, bro. Market's been moving kind of, and we are definitely in a fucking bull market right now. I guess what we just changed into this week, bro. So it's kind of hard to go short in this type of market. See how the 1 minute's looking on MES. MES one market looks like it's respecting that zone we're in right here. Same too. So yeah, stops at break even is definitely not a bad idea, man. Somebody's a little bit above it right there. $21 stop loss, $21 stop loss, bro. A little bit of a meal right there. Yeah, it looks like we're holding it on ES. This zone we're in. 1 minute. 1 minute looks like we're just having a little bit of a retracement back up, bro. Not really big of a deal, but we'll see. 5 minute looks like kind of scary on ES. Yeah, I could see us going up to like right here, where my white dotted line is at. Like right here, reversing back down again. No, you haven't took anything soft. That's good, bro. This market. Look, if you would have traded this, bro, I would have been on your ass, dude. This is super bad. This would have been an okay trade, though. I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about taking this trade. Would have been a mediocre trade right there. But you took anything else in that, bro? Fuck no, you're crazy, dude. You're crazy. This one would have been good just because we weren't chopping. So if you would take something right here, valid points, bro. Even right here too. But yeah, dude, look at this candle, bro. Ended up right here. That's insane. Y'all be trading both markets, right? Rookie trader and like all y'all that are watching, y'all be trading both NQ and ES, or y'all just only trade one? $11 yeah, I can see 11 seconds from my saying 11 minutes. This fair value gap, bro, is the only thing I don't like. This is why it stops right kind of near break even. We could reject off of this. Definitely possible. If we break lower though, that would be a beauty, man. That definitely would be a fucking beauty if we break lower. If we break through this, yeah, we're definitely gonna end up all the way down here again. Yeah, both. Okay, yeah, dude, that's solid, bro. Yeah, I usually always have them both put up to the side by side, bro. It's just like you can kind of see that. I mean, I'm sure you know this too, bro. You've been trading for what, 2 years too? They move kind of accordingly, and sometimes we'll just respect one of the charts' zone instead of the other one. So that's like a good little area I like to do, bro. I'm gonna do it for a little P. Oh, I ran out of water, man. Should have brought me some water this morning or last night. Parched as fuck. What do you feel like that like y'all are like struggling the most, man? Do y'all think y'all are like struggling finding trades, maybe your discipline, or like what's y'all like main struggle y'all would say that's like holding y'all back from becoming profitable? I was done, but hop back on charts. I need at least one. I need at least one, bro. That's that's how it be like. So like sometimes if I want to catch a dub in the AM, bro, and I don't work, I'll go ahead and like look in the PM, right? See if we can find anything through there. But yeah, dude, that was my fucking main problem too, bro. When I first started, bro, like, and I think what like really helped me, bro, is like I was just saying to myself, dude, like all this is just fucking probability, dude. Like no strat is 100%. Like yeah, you might have like 50% win rate, 75% win rate in these strats, right? Oh shit, my thing disconnected. Yeah, reconnected. My bad, bro, for that reconnection or whatever shit that just happened. Like I was just done for the day, and now I'm down through. Bro, yes, yeah, no, yeah, no, it's definitely like that. I mean, bro, but it's barely 9:58 though, too. Like you could definitely wait and see if there's going to be something else forming too. You know what I mean? I think just forcing trades, could be a problem, bro. Because, bro, that was me though too. I was like, oh my god, I missed this entry. I had to make this money back. Or this one time, bro, like I would have like my practice account right next to it, right? So I remember this one day, dude. Like I think like maybe like 3-4 months ago, hit a fucking crazy ass trade, bro, for like 1,400 right there, right? I was like, oh fuck yeah, dude! I just made 1,400 on my eval, dude. I'm goaded, bro. Nah, dude. I was on my fucking practice, bro. I was on my practice. I was so mad, bro. I was like, ain't no fucking way. So what I did, man, if I made 1,400 on my practice, I couldn't make it on my eval, right? That was my thought process. Nah, dude. Fucked up, bro. Tried going on my fucking eval, tried making that money back. Dude, that was so bad, bro. Yeah, nah, dude. I was like, oh, fuck. And I ended up blowing that eval that day, too. So, yeah, bro, definitely getting FOMO in these charts is something bad. Good little. I just kind of want us to break this area right here, man. Break it. Like, at least the candle closed right here. And then I'll be fucking happy with that, dude. Fucking, that just proves that we're going to keep going the way that I intended to go in. See, ES is like right below that zone. So ES, we did break the zone below, but we're kind of like still a little bit right there. Break even right here is a good move, man. Really happy with this. Let's see where it would be if we put our stops right here. Oh, there we go, dude. What the fuck? That's weird. Oh, dude, come on. Don't do that. That's what we don't want to happen. There we go. Yo, we get some crazy movement right here, some volatile shit going on. Definitely need to keep shooting lower, bro. Zone to zone play. Come on, right here. That's what we need. Okay.
Order filled.
Alright. Weird ass market. Whatever, dude. I think, yeah, something's happening, but it's alright, man. We made 258. We could have sold off that. It's whatever, dude. It looked kind of finicky right there. Nothing really to blame for on that. Good trade. Could have made like what 600 there, bro, in that crazy fucking weird ass movement, but it's alright. Not really tripping. Let's see. What the fuck? Dude, yeah, that's definitely something that shit hurts, bro. What the fuck? It's okay though. It's okay. That's what we're gonna tell ourselves. It's okay. 258 for the day. Oh, at least we locked in a green day, man. We could pull out if we want to. Dude, what the fuck? That shit. That shit right there. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green days right there. We could lock that count and get a payout, but I kind of want to make a cushion, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Very opposite from what I was saying before, dude. I was like, nah, like I'm just getting past this. I can't. But my boy told me, bro, it's just like passing an eval, bro. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, Ricky Trey, that move was fucking weird as fuck, dude. Crazy. I'm saying crazy work, dude. Crazy fucking work, bro. So he got stopped out right here. And then went all the way back down. Fucking. It's okay though, bro. We're really not tripping, dude. If we enter again, that's gonna be stupid as fuck. So, nah, definitely stupid as fuck. We probably will hit this, bro. Probably gonna create a double bottom is what we're guessing here. You know what I mean? Right here, crazy bottom. Probably gonna tap into here. That's what I'm guessing. What's gonna happen? We could potentially catch this move, bro, but we're not really gonna be like, oh yeah, we're gonna catch it right away. But we're gonna look for a setup down here to go long. Yeah. Was up 400, bro? I'm telling you, bro. Same thing, bro. I mean, you saw my trade, dude. I was up like 590, and we're shooting for 800, and we got stopped with what 250, dude. Yeah, that's insane. But it's, bro. I'm telling you, like this market's fucking like not that it's bad. I'm not saying the market's bad. I'm just saying like anything could happen in the market, bro. There's no 100% way that we're gonna win on shit. You know what I mean? We had a good probability that, dude. Like, what was the chance we were gonna get cooked on fucking these two crazy ass Diddy candles, bro? There's nothing. You know, nothing we could have been like, oh yeah, I knew this candle was gonna come. Nah, bro. We were moving pretty good. We just ended up getting Diddy candles all over the screen, bro. But it's all right. It's all right. Sometimes we just take the L, bro. Nothing wrong with it. Look, and we're still holding this zone, bro. That's insane. It's crazy work. See how MES, yeah, MES is still right there in that zone. Insane work. Insane. I do think that what I could have done, bro, is off those crazy candles, just put my stop loss lower. Like, trail it super tight after that. Probability of us going up is pretty high, bro. After we get a crazy candle upward or downward, we're gonna reverse opposite for a little bit and then kind of, average out or whatever. Hey, rookie trader, do you like trade with like do you have like friends that be trading with you, or is it just you for now, man? Since I mean you've been doing it for 2 years, I'm sure you got some boys that trade with you, right? Or nah, man, you're just doing it solo. Oh, my fucking back hurts, dude. I'm fucking getting old. Uh, nah, I try to put, bro. Yeah, I was telling Chris right here in the other chat yesterday, bro. He was saying how he's been trying to put on his friends and stuff, and like they're like okay, but then they're like okay, well first I want to see you make money. I'm like dang, like I mean valid reasoning for sure, bro, but it's like bro, if I'm learning this right now, why not learn it with me? You feel me? Like I'm not trying to sell you a course. I'm not trying to tell you hey bro, pay me this much and I show you how I win, bro. But yeah, no, I mean it's definitely not like a valid opinion, bro, I guess, but sometimes you just gotta take that leap, bro. Like, okay, like you might not be making money, but I know you're studying, you're learning how to. Usually, bro, if it's like that, bro, because like I have like a whole bunch of friends too that know that I trade, bro. That was my mistake, bro. First thing, as soon as I started trading, I was like, oh, as soon as I like learning for a few months, I was like, yeah, bro, I day trade, and they're like, oh shit, how much money you made? I made $0 so far, bro. And nah, bro, but yeah, definitely. Yeah, look for this one. I don't want to take a trade off this zone right here, even though we are holding it. Um, this definitely will be like our only trade we do take down here. This I probably won't take a trade up here also, bro, just because of that 5% rule. So probably just got to shut it off or just keep waiting, bro. But yeah, so that's the plan. We're not gonna take a trade off this, even though it is kind of validated. It's just, bro, look. So yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade off here too, since we already made that move downward. But yeah, nah, bro. But back to what I was saying about putting people on, dude. Yeah, I do. So like a lot of people know that I trade now too. Not a lot, but like a few of my close friends that I work with, some boys are like, oh yeah, I day trade a little bit. I always tell them though, I'm not profitable. I'm not profitable by any means, dude. Like I've been doing it for a year and 2 months. I mean, I guess you could say I could get a payout right now, right? Because I mean, I could, but $600 payout, bro. I probably spent like I don't know, dude. I just know that I spent a lot of fucking money on some fucking evals, dude. So definitely, I was like, nah, out of the question, bro. Like we're not gonna be doing that. But yeah, no, if you have people that like, oh yeah, teach me, bro. Just I promise you this, just so you can pickle them out, bro. Send them a video, right? Maybe a video that you learned. I always send them a video that I know, right? Teaches you the fucking basics, right? Like, I mean, it has a whole bunch of EMAs and all that shit, right? But it literally just teaches you how candles work, basics, right? How candles move, what everything means on this, bro. 'Cause when I first started, dude, I had no clue what the fuck I was looking at. I was like, why not just buy low, sell high, right? Sounds easy enough, right? Nah, bro. So yeah, no, I just sent him that video, and I'm just like, yeah, as soon as you're done, man, just shoot me a text. Send me your notes and everything like that, and I'll go ahead and help you out, right? That's just to kind of make sure that they watched it instead of just being like, yeah, I watched it, and just want me to teach them shit, bro. It's like, yeah, bro, just go ahead, send me your notes. Show me, after you watched it, it's gonna take a little bit. And yeah, dude, after that, dude, if they do watch it, bro, I promise you this: everyone that has watched the video that I sent, bro, has started trading, dude. And everyone who hasn't, literally just, has been doing their own thing. That's how kind of a good way that I use, bro. Right there. Look at this. We're gonna keep going lower. Crazy. We got stopped out right here, dude. But yeah, dude, just shoot them a video or shoot them some type of learning video, and then that should tell you who really wants to do it, who's just kind of bullshitting. Wait for this. Nah, but what's crazy though too, bro? So right now it's me and a couple friends, right? Like we have a Discord. It's not like a paid Discord. We just have like a little group chat, bro, of us like traders, right? We usually just document everything in there, right? Like we have our own sections for our journals. It's definitely cool, bro. Like if you do find like a partner, bro, or like someone else that trades, bro, it's fucking. You just kind of like increase each other, bro. You feel me? Like it just doesn't make you feel like you're alone in this, bro. So definitely, if you do have someone, bro, it definitely is valid. You know what I mean? It's fucking feels valid as fuck. Yeah. You're gonna try what? Jeez. You're gonna try what, bro? Oh, the fucking video. My bad, bro. It might be delayed. That's why. But yeah, no, dude. You definitely find like someone that's there, bro. That's just as committed as you are. Definitely feels good, bro. It just feels like both y'all's vision. Think of it like some guy working out with you. You feel me? Like okay, like yeah, I'm looking for like just some guy that has the same type of energy that you have, bro. It fucking it's gonna work, bro. I'm not saying you have to have one. I'm just saying it just helps a lot, bro. Like every day, you know what I mean? You might talk to him like, hey, bro, like how'd you do? What'd you see today? Oh shit, I did this, and then like. Obviously you're like, damn, bro, this gonna be us in a couple of years. Damn, bro, this could be us in a couple of months. You know what I mean? It's just like I said, bro. It just feels that kind of like vision y'all both got, bro. Fucking T, bro. And lucky for me, bro, I got like what my cousin, my homeboy, my other homeboy, my boy's I said son, my boy's brother, bro. Yeah, I got like 5 trader friends, bro, and we're kind of all like I'll say like the majority of us is all in the same area except my cousin. Fucking hey, that dude's gonna make it before all of us for sure, bro. But yeah, nah, like definitely we're all gonna catch up, bro. Not catch up to him, but like I'm just saying like we're all gonna get there one day, bro. And that's all that matters. Definitely, dude. Definitely, bro. If y'all want to learn, or I'm not sure like whoever is watching, bro. If y'all do want to learn, don't buy any courses. I'm telling y'all that right now. Do not buy any courses, bro. YouTube is free. YouTube is free for a reason. If y'all want to go TJR routes, y'all looking for something structured, bro. He has a whole structure, bro, for it. You feel me? Like structured for it. Yeah, dude. Yeah, rookie trade. Yeah, dude, for sure, bro. Like, it's definitely possible, bro. Like, I know, like I don't know if you know anyone, bro, but like I know you've seen these TikTok videos, these Instagram videos, these YouTube videos. Like, damn. damn, bro, like you might just be thinking like, damn, bro, like that's crazy work. I wonder how they do it. You know how they're so disciplined. Like, dude, like I have like a real world example, bro, which is my cousin, dude. That kind of helps me. Like, I'm like, damn, bro. Like, like, yeah, I might be saying all these people that are famous or whatever, going stupid on the charts, right? Going dumb crazy, right? But I mean, I have a real world example right there, bro. That's made some fucking money too, So it's like this ain't fake, you know what I mean? This isn't fake. You might feel like it's fake just because you have a bad week, bad day, but definitely not fake, dude. 100% is real. If someone can do it, bro, then you can do it too. All right, dude. This fucking chop sesh over here, bro. Let's see. These 5 minute candles are crazy, dude. Fucking staying in the zone. I'm sure that we're gonna break below it, dude. Look at this 15-minute pinch candle. Yeah. Maybe we just keep going up. This is the trade I do want to take right here. Right here. I definitely don't want to enter right here, bro, just because it would be a bad positioning. Yeah, dude, the possibilities are limitless, bro. Dude, that kind of sucks, bro. I ended up selling right here. That fucking sucks. But dude, yeah, possibilities are limitless. Like, imagine this, bro, right? 258, yeah, I'm up 258 on my funded account, but if I had 5 stacked accounts, bro, that's 1K, bro. 5 stacked accounts, that's 1K from just a $200 day. That ended up not really even going my direction, bro. It's like 5 times 8, bro. That's literally what? Fuck. I can't do math now, bro. Is that what? 5 times 8? It's like what? 8, 16, 24, 32. 8, 16, 32. Yeah, bro, what? 40, yeah, that's 4 bands right there, bro. I would have made 800. Yeah. I think my math's right, bro. Hold on. Kind of cooked right now, dude. My brain's cooked. Yeah, dude, that's 4 grand right there, bro. If I would have hit on that trade across 5 accounts, dude, 4 grand I just made. Like, definitely all about your fucking discipline, bro. Risk management, everything comes into it, bro. Look at that dump. Perfect. Keep going lower. You all could bring us up a little bit, but I definitely think we're going to be going zone to zone right here. Hey, but fucking rookie trader, bro. If you want, just tap in with me on Discord. I'm not gonna sell you into our Discord or anything. I told you it's free, but yeah, like just lock me in, bro. Usually, like just want to talk about some shit too, bro, about trading and shit. Like I said, it definitely helps, bro. I'm all about helping, bro. I'm literally unprofitable right now, dude. Like even if I was profitable, bro, I like to, like just kind of like having that same mentality, bro. Like like kind of like surrounding yourself with people that you want to become, or people that kind of are like match your kind of vision, bro. Definitely like a good feeling, bro. But yeah, if you want, bro, lock me in on Discord. I have it on my YouTube thing, bro. On my YouTube's bio. If you want to add it, bro, for sure. I only got to break even after being down 600. Damn, bro, that move off the short. Yeah, dude, fire move off the short, bro. Definitely could see that, bro. We even tapped into this little fair value gap right there. Fire move. I just didn't want to take it, bro, just because, like, I don't know, dude. This is kind of like 5 minutes showed us that we could go higher. 1 minute looks good to go lower. Kind of, you know what I mean? In between, bro. Sauce is another guy that trades, bro. He's my homeboy, bro. Bro had the craziest beginner look. I even talked about it yesterday, bro. First eval pass, right? First funded, he held it for like a good bit and didn't fail it. He just stopped trading it because he wanted to do more demo trading. Well, he ended up losing that account because he wasn't trading his funded. And then after that, he bought another eval. Passed his second ever eval, bro. First month, or I think second month, right? Ever, right? Passed that shit. Got into his funded, bro, and ended up getting a payout, $1,000 payout on his funded, bro. I said, dude, what the fuck? It was like his first month trading, bro. What's my Discord name? I got you, bro. Give me 1 second. Ooh. Should be good. That's it, dog. That's it. Alright, bro. Look, we're creeping up lower to this low right here. Let's see. I'm probably gonna ignore chat for a little bit until for a setup, bro. Not ignore it, but I'll go back to the chat in a little bit. Just give me 1 second. There we go. Good little move. Definitely go lower. Maybe like right there. This. We're kind of near the double bottom. Kind of just want to see us either hold this right here, or if we're gonna steep down lower. This one candle does not mean shit. All right, so we're gonna be waiting. I got your friend request on Discord though. Trader, you're good. I'm gonna lock you in right after I'm done for the day too. Right. Okay. Dude, look, that trade would have hit 548 ticks, 550 probably right there. Yeah. Go to trade, bro. We just got stopped out. Unlucky sometimes. It's okay. Let's see what we can look for. I want to kind of consolidate right here, man. That's the plan. Kind of consolidate into the zone right here for this double bottom, retrace back up top. Sometimes we just tap it and go. Looks like we might do that right now. I could just be us pumping back up all the way up. Man, I'm not gonna lie. There we go. Okay. I think we just got hit with something crazy right now, though. Oh, shit. I have no idea what we just got hit with, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, honestly, man, I think this might be pretty bad to trade, bro, with this price. I don't know what's going on. I do want to trade it because we are in our zone, but we're getting candles like these, bro. I don't know. Yeah, dude, I think we just got hit with something right now. Oh, I'm in a crazy short, bro. My bad, guys, if I'm not reading chat. I got both my charts pulled up right now. I definitely need a third monitor, bro, so I can have like my chat there too. You know, just so I can see all his messages and shit, bro. Yeah, definitely should invest in one later on. Damn, dude, what the fuck? Crazy candle hit, bro. Not the prettiest right here for sure, man. Not the prettiest. Time kind of trading spot right here. We did tap back into our ES though. ES looks good. Good zone hold. This zone's just pretty big for us on the 1 minute. Oh, we're on 5 minute. 1 minute though too. My bad, guys. I'm locked in right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, 15 minute per value gap. Yeah, you hold this zone like for like 5 minutes. I would love to see that. 30 minute, and I would look for value gap. Yeah, so we just have a 15 minute per value gap that looks solid, but pretty sure we might just break it. Yeah, dude, we're probably ooh, dumpathon, dude. Alright, let's go look. Let's go look what we're talking about. Down fold 500, bro. What? Oh yeah, by not holding it, yeah, dude. It's all right though, man. Like, look, as you aim for your TP, bro, you're straight, dog. Like, you know what I mean? Like, there's always like what ifs for sure, bro. But if your TP got hit, you got out. Sometimes that's perfect, bro. Really perfect. Don't worry, be like, oh, I should have held, because then that's gonna fuck up your psychology, bro. You're gonna be like, damn it, okay, let's hold this time, bro. That shit sucks. Let's see. I saw break even and said fuck it, bro. But that's how it is though too, bro. Because you definitely don't want to be down for the day. That break even shit be getting me too, bro. So don't trip off that too. Anything like that, but saying I would have made up to 2K off to 7 micros if I held to the whole fucking my head. Not gonna lie. Hey, look, I'm not gonna lie, rookie, bro. Just lock your account, bro. Get ready for tomorrow, bro. Yeah, or lock it for like an hour. Come back in the PM session, bro. It's not your fault, bro. Like these candles are pretty crazy, bro. Pretty fucking insane. Look at this one. Look at this one. You know, definitely not on you, bro. The market's kind of going crazy right now, so definitely would not want to trade this. Look, we could see we have it right here. Yeah, honestly, bro, right here could be a good long. We kind of guided through the zone right here. So we do see something. That's probably what we're gonna see right there. I'll probably take it like right there, man. We do see something. 15 minute, yeah, 15 minute right here. 30 minute right here. Yeah, dude, I would definitely wait for this one. Y'all see on my screen right here? Wait for this candle right here. See 1 hour. Dude, 1 hour? Okay, yeah, bro. This is gas, bro. 1 hour time frame, 30 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame. Dude, we're cooking up in here, bro. 15 minute down here. 5 minute down here too, right here. Yeah, dude, we're cooking. We're cooking right now. Okay, except my zone fucking went away on 1 minute. I hate when it does this, dog. Okay, right there, dude. Okay, yeah, we have a good little market out, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and marker them out. Okay, if you want to look at a year candle, bro, this is what I'm saying. Look at the the 310 candle from this morning, that body candle where there's no wicks in it. That's what I'm looking at. Right there, right. 30-minute too. I know I'm just trying a whole bunch of shit on my page, but it looks like you're all valid right here. So this is what I'm looking at right here, right? I definitely don't have my charts like this though. Don't flame me for this, bro. I definitely don't have my charts like this. But yeah, that's what we're seeing, bro, right here. Should be solid. Go ahead and delete these, bro. Let's see. Yeah, we got a little bit of a zone right here. Alright, let's see. You already locked all three, just chilling in chat now. Damn, wait, you have three fundeds, bro? Or you have three evals you got right now? Having three is insane, dude. That's honestly, yeah, dude. Like stacking your evals and fundeds, that's something I want to do later on. I'm just waiting, you know, kind of be consistent on one, right? Which is kind of like my playground right here. As long as I'm consistent with this one, definitely am thinking about buying some two evals next. Or honestly trying to hold this one, buying another eval, and going off of that. Let's see. I'll go ahead and add you back, bro. Yeah, pretty good movement to the downside. With that, we're following this EMA down pretty close too. Oh, you're doing the one at a time? Okay, dude. So we do them like one at a time. Do you hold on? Why like one at a time, bro? Like you do them like separate days, or you just try to trade all day with just a different account? Dude, that's a crazy fucking dump we are having, bro. What the fuck? Crazy dump down. Yeah, but like, do you trade one like how do you say like one like each a different day? Or do you like do it at different times like for each one? It's a lot of money, man. Definitely a lot of money. Fucking 50 per account, dude. See, 1 minute looks insane. There's a zone tap right here. Yes. Look, I'll go ahead and show y'all how that counts. Looking like depends really. I don't want to trade it. One bad move. No way to get the show. Okay, yeah. I mean, yeah, that's definitely a valid opinion too, bro. Fucking one at a time. Yeah, that makes sense. Shit. Boom, boom, boom. 3, 4, 5. 5 Green Days unlocked, bro. Shit should have been 800, bro. That shit should have been 800. I should have 1800 right now. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, dude. Yeah, one bad mood and yeah, you're cooked. Sometimes one day, or if I'm up 401, I lock it. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's all as fuck. Are you on 3 evals, or do you have like a funded in any one of them, or nah? Not just yet. Hey, we're getting some crazy ass 5 minute candles right now. Crazy fucking movement we got going on, dude. This is really good. Could be good. Could be good. I do tell y'all what though, I'm fucking starving now. On some eggs. Dude, I still gotta cook, matter of fact. Oh, dude, we're fucking still waiting. No, they're all coming. I've been holding fast by midway. Yeah, dude, that's solid, bro. You got it, bro. Just fucking. I mean, you've been doing this longer than I have, bro. So yeah, you kind of know the process. Have you ever gotten a payout though, rookie trader? Or not? Have you kind of gotten close to one? And we call it the blues. Change this on up a bit. And they call it the blues. Dude, the road to unemployment right here, man. So we're chasing unemployed. Dude, I feel like I could have just sent his trade. He took the same exact trade right here, bro. He took it like right here. Bro, so look, I was in the same exact trade, right? And then it looked pretty good, pretty good. I was like, okay, we're down here, right? Go ahead, put my stops at 250, right? Somewhere like right here. And then I was like, oh shit, we're pretty good, right? Then I said, fuck no. Fuck no. I ended up getting stopped out, bro, at this fucking candle right here, dude. I probably honestly would have got stopped out right here, though, too. But fuck, dude, that shit was a shitty ass candle. My bad, guys. I sent it to trading. Nah, no payout yet. I started prop trading like 7 months ago, so trying to work my way to my first. Oh, yeah, dude, that's all. Yeah, bro. I started. Well, I mean, this was like basically my first time. I was demo trading. Then, what's it called? I ended up getting into prop firms, but I did not want to trade my own capital. I ended up trying to trade my own capital, right? Bro, I put in like $300 right into Weeble. That was like my first platform. Dude, I fucking sucked, bro. But yeah, dude, it fucking sucks, bro. Definitely don't trade your own capital if you're starting out. You could see something right here, though, too. But it's not something I want to take. I want to take along down here again. I want to just drive down deeper into the zone. We call it love. Yeah, I definitely need to eat something, bro. I'm just trying to wait for us to keep going down lower. Okay, good. Little movement. Yeah, options what got me hooked on trading. My first option trade, I went for 10 minutes. Dude, definitely, bro. That shit got me hooked too, bro. It's like demo trading options, dude. I was like, dude, what the fuck? Started learning Greeks and all that, right? I was like, dude, this is fire. And it just, but then I ended up getting introduced to futures. My cousin was like, bro, you should look into futures. Like, it's a little bit easier. And so you just go off of ticks. So even if you're consolidating, you don't lose money from the Greeks. Got hooked on futures, and then yeah, man, like I said, that was fucking history, bro. After that, we just been on futures ever since. Mm. I definitely later on would love to buy some shares and all that, bro. That would definitely be cool. You know what I mean? Like later on. Don't have the funds for it right now, man. But who knows what we're gonna have, and you know what I mean, by next year or some shit, bro. Maybe we be going like this, or maybe, bro, fuck it, bro. Maybe I just might be live streaming off of a fucking boat, bro. who knows what's gonna happen next year, bro. But yeah, definitely the plan, bro. I want to keep on investing, bro. Keep investing some shit, not like all my money. I definitely want to, definitely good to, be able to use your money, bro. Because then you're just basically slaving again at work. You know what I mean? Not being able to use your money. Yeah, this would have been a good short. I wanted y'all to see, man. But like I said, could have been a good short. But I definitely want us to keep going. Tap us lower, bro. Tap us lower. That's what we need.
Once I saw that we broke this big ass fucking young. I mean, I was already in the middle of this. It was like I lost out the night. I saw that was right here. It's like big ass. Like,
What
wait,
the
bro, how
fuck?
much shit break once I
Hey guys, hey bro, if you are trading this, bro, swing trade options, but I'm waiting until I get more disposable. Yeah, dude, definitely, bro, definitely wait. Hey, we're about to hit this. Like I showed y'all right here, bro. We're about to hit these high time frames. Not high time frames, but these fair value gaps soon enough, bro. So look out for that. That's what I'm looking for. I mean, you don't have to. I'm just saying. It could be single reversal, so look for a setup right there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be like right here. That's probably what we're gonna be setting up for.
break it down so I can explain this a little bit better. Just because I just so we're breaking it in this whole time.
We gotta get lower. OBS keeps on disconnecting and reconnecting. I think I'm getting hacked. Bro, my OBS keeps on reconnecting, disconnecting. I'm not sure if y'all heard me, bro, but low key, might be getting hacked. Might be getting hacked. We're looking for a setup down here. So we're getting close to it, close to it, close to it. Closer, closer. My bad if I'm not reading chat, bro. I'm locking in right now. Oh, what the fuck? We literally just tapped it, bro. Go back down. It's okay. Crazy candle. Crazy 5K. 5-minute candle just closed. Let's see what's gonna happen right here. It's right there. Now we're gonna bring a tight ass stop loss. Golden Dolphin. See right there, tight ass stop loss. It's the only thing. Don't want to get FOMO off this trade, so we're gonna be waiting a little bit longer. Good candles though. Good ass candles, bro. Damn, it's raining hard as fuck again today, bro. What? Oh, you know what? Watch my fucking computer turn off, bro, because it's raining right now. That would be cooked. Can't just take a trade off one single green candle, bro. Unless it's a good ass green candle, then we can. So that's a good hold though. Fucking connections, 8 cheeks. Okay, might have been bad. We just took it off. So this trade, we took it off the stack fair value gaps that I marked out, guys. That's why we entered. Honestly, pretty solid, bro. I love the stack fair value gaps. I love it when it's inside of a zone 2. Those are my top ones, right? And obviously trying to catch the bottom shit too, bro, right? Trying to catch the reversals right there. So yeah, we'll be waiting for this one to hit. Good trade, bro. I like my probability in this trade for sure, dude. Very good probability. Yeah. Other than that, dude, fucking solid, bro. Fucking solid. Let's see how we're doing. Honestly, bro, I'm locking in. Dude, definitely, bro. I definitely think you can, bro. You've been doing this shit for 2 years, bro. Like your experience, like you've seen way more shit than I have too, probably, bro. Like you probably been on this, just like I said, bro. Like, and I think, bro, really, bro, if you really want to help, this is what helped me. I just, gave it a God too, bro. And it's just like, okay, bro, if you really want to lock in, dude, like, do the small shit, bro. Like, read a verse out, read a chapter out of the Bible, bro, before you go to bed, before you wake up. You know what I mean? Try to pray as much as you can, and you know what I mean? Like that helps in a lot of ways, bro. You know, reaching out to God, bro. Another way is like, getting up, bro. Being able to like, okay, dude, I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna eat healthy, bro. Perfect way, right, bro? Okay, like if you can't, okay, I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna go to the gym, bro. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, lock in, bro, on that, bro. You know what I mean? Like this is all discipline, bro. And once you can be disciplined with like God, bro, your body and self, bro, you're gonna be disciplined on the charts. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, you might fail a few days, right? But I mean, bro, it's just gonna go up from there, bro. Like, there's some times you're gonna lose a little bit, bro, but you can minimize those, bro. Have like maybe like one bad day, bro. Like something like that. You're gonna go fucking straight up, bro. I promise you, bro. So lock in on those type of things, bro. The Bible. Lock in on your working out, taking your body, bro. Like your body's your fucking temple, bro. Like be disciplined in that, bro. And I promise you, bro. I promise you, it's gonna like fucking coexist together, bro. Like you're disciplined outside of the charts and in the charts, bro. Fucking just like that. All right, bro. Let's see. Let's see. My bad for my little bit of a, trying to, just like I was just trying to tell you what I do, bro. That's definitely what's helped me so far. Right here, put stops, break even for sure. Right there. Yeah, we were gonna be we honestly might be reaching for VWAP right here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that out. VWAP right there. Yeah, no one would have tapped back into it. Completely fine with that. Break even trade. This is honestly I like where my stops are at right here. If we do tap back into, I highly doubt it. We could possibly go lower, just boom, 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 and go up top. But valid trade for now. Amen, my brother. Amen, my brother. Yeah, dude, fucking lock in, bro. Y'all got this, bro. If y'all are watching this, bro, and I'm sure like y'all are just trying to see like what this is, bro. Man, I'm telling y'all right now, bro. This y'all's fucking sign, bro. Just learn this shit, bro. Learn this shit, bro. I don't know how old y'all are. Y'all might be fucking like, bro, but I don't have a computer. Fucking get your phone out, bro. Right? Oh well, shit. I mean, I just don't have time, bro. You have time to be watching TikTok and be on Instagram, don't you? Right? You got at least like 10 minutes, bro. You could dedicate to this shit, bro. You feel me? Oh shit, I just too busy, bro. Find a way, bro. Find a way, dude. Find a way to do shit. Y'all literally, you know. I mean, I get it. Some you might be busy a few days, but there's gonna be fucking 15 minutes out of the day, maybe even before you go to bed. Okay, let me watch like a quick 5 minutes, right? You could dedicate 5 minutes of your time to learning something just as you can with, to your body, bro, with God. I got this shit, bro. Day working out every day, it might be the same on the charts. Yep, bro. Dude, bro, that's funny. You said that. You just wrote that in my journal like a week ago. Like, if I can become more disciplined in my real life, like eating right, reading a late, at least a chapter in my Bible a day, or working out every day, might be the same. It is, bro. I promise you, bro. It's gonna correlate, dude. Things correlate. Yeah. Okay. So look, right now we're looking for a tab back into the zone. That could be happening, right? A little bit of retracement back here. I call it like a little slingshot trade, right? Which is something I used to do back in, like, not back, but like couple months ago, right? Boom, bounce up, slingshot back down, right? To go up, you got to wait, fuck. I'm chopping up my words. For a fucking slingshot to work, man, you gotta pull that bitch back just for it to go up, right? So that's kind of like what my little, why I call it a slingshot here, bro. Funny enough. Yeah, we're gonna be seeing what's happening here. Looks good, dude. Looks good. We might get Diddy candled right here, but that's okay, dude. I'm fine with that. See where 50 would be at. 50 is pretty high up, not gonna lie. Little bit of retracement, calm down, calm down. You trust in this? We trust, bro. Another thing too, bro, like trusting yourself too, bro. Who knows, bro? I might fucking lose this trade, bro, but my probability is pretty fucking high right now, dude. Pretty fucking good we win this. But like I said, it ain't always 100%, bro. Fucking 1%, 0.00001% could always get you, bro. But yeah, I like my chances right here. And look, dang. Nah, it's all good, dude. I think that, yeah, this is probably gonna be my last trade for the day, bro. So whatever happens here, we're gonna call it a day. Gotta get ready. Gotta cook up my food for today. I didn't get a meal prep yesterday. I hate meal prepping, bro. That shit's nasty. Eating microwave food, bro. I'd rather just heat that shit up, let it cool off like 30 minutes, eat it cold, bro. Especially when you fucking microwave up meat, bro. That stuff's disgusting. Yeah, look, we're fine, bro. We're fine. Chilling, break even day, bro. I'm fine with being up 250 for the day. It's been a pretty crazy day today. But yeah, guys, learn, bro. YouTube. I know there's 11 people watching, bro. And I definitely know that some of y'all, you know what I mean, probably just started looking into this, bro. YouTube is free, y'all. Don't buy no courses, is what I said earlier, too. Don't buy no courses. YouTube is free. Y'all want routes to go? Look, supply and demand, which is what I'm doing, right? Pretty simple. There's TJR, right? Supply and demand, you're probably going to be looking around, video to video, right? That's fine, dude. It's pretty simple. Make sure y'all have a pen and paper, bro. Get them out right now. I'm going to tell y'all what videos to look up so it could help y'all. Let's see, bro. This is kind of scary. Or get out y'all's phone. You feel me? Get out of fucking write something down. All right. So there's zones. Y'all need to know what a zone is, right? Y'all need to know where fucking levels are at. So zones and levels, something y'all need to learn, right? So that's what y'all need to learn. Those two right there. Literally what supply and demand is, right? Also, figure out what a fair value gap is. I do use fair value gaps, and I love using them, right? I do like this trade right here that we're in. An example of a fair value gap we took, right? We took stacked fair value gaps, right? So look into what a fair value gap is, right? Fucking figure out the basics first of all, too, bro. But yeah, so look up a basic video, right? Be like basics of trading. Should be somewhere, bro. Should definitely be somewhere out there, right? You definitely find something like that. So you're gonna look up zones, levels, fair value gaps. 3 things right there, right? Learn those 3 first. After that, y'all could look up different stuff, right? Find out patterns and all that. Those are your 3 things you need to look up first, man. And then after that, go on with your journey, bro. Go on with learning what kind of patterns you'll be seeing, right? Like I do pinch candles and stuff, engulfings. Look for that, man. Yeah, those are your 3 things, bro. Just gave y'all fucking sauce right there, man. Gotta find a way not to have my meal prep chicken dry. Bro, I'm saying, dude, that shit is disgusting, bro. Your chicken dried out. Look, hey, look, I'm about to put you on some shit, bro. So, instead of like cutting it, or I'm not sure if you do the whole chicken breast by itself, if you want, you can boil your chicken, right? It's nasty as fuck, I know, bro. I hate boiling my chicken, but trust me on this. Boil your chicken, and shred it up. Or if you want, put it in the air fryer, right? Let it heat up, like what? 12 on each side, bro. Then heat that bitch up, air fry it for a little bit, and just fucking scramble it up, shred it up, right? You shred it up, and then the microwave honestly tastes a lot better. Honestly, it does taste a lot better. Do you want get some tiki masala sauce, bro? Or no, I use buttered chicken by Mr. Cook's. Mr. Cook's buttered chicken simmer sauce. Fire, bro. Shred it up, put it in a bowl. That sauce, and or if you want, put buffalo sauce. I was on buffalo for a good bit, dude. Buffalo sauce is goated as fuck. And there you go, bro. That's how to make your chicken not so nasty, bro. If you want a good rice, there's this thing called Royal Rice. It's a packaging, right? It's like a red and beige packaging. Honestly, the best rice I've ever had. That shit is so good. So yeah, definitely looking at those, bro. Right there. Put you on some game right there. On the fitness journey. I've been lifting for quite a bit, bro. So I fucking find not cheat cuts, shortcuts, bro. You know what I mean? Like good meals that are pretty good in macros. But yeah, bro. Shred up your chicken if you like eating chicken for your prepping or whatever. Put some buffalo sauce in there. Put some, find a good sauce. Like I said, that Mr. Cook's sauce. Buttered chicken, fire as fuck, dude. Fire as fuck. Okay, bro, we're kind of consolidating. I'm trying to see what we're consolidating for, bro. Okay, we're consolidating this fair value gap. Is what I'm seeing right here. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, whatever. Not. We're pretty good. We should be going up, dude. This definitely looks like we should be going up. It's okay, bro. We're calling it a day right after this, anyways. Oh, fuck, dude. That candle looks nasty as fuck. I might put this shit right there so we can be up 300. I'm being up 300 for the day. Dang, a lot of 300 days, bro. It's kind of bad. Not bad, but a lot of these trades just, bro, we've been so close to our TP, bro. Like yesterday, bro, should have made 800 off a trade. We got stopped out by 2 fucking ticks, bro. I said, what the fuck? And today, man, we should have been up another 800, bro. We got fucking Diddy candle / Eddie candle, bro, and we fucking got stopped out at 250. And then this one, good trade, bro. If it fails, it fails. There's nothing really I could blame it on, bro. Break even trade right here. If it goes up, if it goes down, so solid with my choosing, bro. My choice right here. Not bad, bro. But yeah, we're gonna be saying what's going on here. I'm sure we up at the top right here. Like 300 ticks, like 2 to 3 ratio. Yeah, it looks like we're about to get stopped out right here. It's okay. W patience.
Order filled.
Nah, we're up 307 for the day. Lock the account right there. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot my trades, guys. Journal. Make sure y'all be journaling every day too, bro. That was a really big struggle for me, not journaling every day. Definitely be journaling every day. Let's see. My bad, guys. I'm just posting it in my journal right now. I don't even think I journaled yesterday. I didn't. Goodness. Watch this go up, bro. I'll be fucking pissed. I'll be livid. guys, that's probably gonna be it, guys. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I think I'm calling it a day right there, dude. We're good. We're up 300. So you gotta find a way not to eat. Yeah, I just started taking my diet and working out consistently serious this year. So I'm still kind of new to this. I'm looking at that. Yeah, bro, definitely look into it. Yeah, definitely, bro. Do that. What I do, bro, just depends on your cutting, bro. I was weighing dude, look at this pumpkin. I was weighing like 230, bro, right after surgery. I was talking about this yesterday because of this thing right here. So my plan was just gain back all my weight, and after I gained back all my weight, I wanted to, you know what I mean, do a proper cut or whatever. Dude, that's insane, bro. It's okay. It's okay, bro. This shit hurts your heart, bro. You get out of a trade and it ends up going back your direction. That shit hurts. Oh man, oh man. Yeah, look at some chicken, bro. If you like eating eggs, bro, do like one egg and do like a couple egg whites, pretty low in calories. Don't be doing peanut butter, bro. I know people say do some peanut butter. I just don't like fucking drinking peanut butter, bro. That shit, or adding it in, saying like it's for protein, bro. That's just a shit ton of fat for no reason. Is what I feel like. I don't know. Maybe you're fucking food scientist and shit and know more than me, bro. But I feel like that's just so fucking stupid. Like, yeah, let's go ahead and eat some fucking peanut butter. No, dude. Eat some better shit than peanut butter. But yeah, I really don't take any supplements, bro. I wasn't even taking protein for a while until I realized I wasn't really hitting my protein goal. The protein's solid, bro. Ooh, make you some tuna patties, bro. Tuna patties are goated meal, bro. Low on calories and shit, bro. Chop up some onions, put them bitches in there, bro. Goated meal, I'm not gonna lie. One of the few goated meals. Toast them bitches like 385 and shit. Well, all right, bro. Look, I have to go. I have to get ready for work. We're up 307. We did secure a payout already, but like I said, I want to create more of a buffer. This is what we're up for the week. Pretty good week too. Last week was pretty horrendous, right? 267 break even week for my first week on it. First 3 days. Yeah, break even. I won 1 day, lost 2 days. Broke even basically 1 day. This week's been pretty solid. This is how it was looking like on my funded, dude. On my eval, I mean. Yeah, shit like that. Well, look, all right, bro. Yeah, I'll see you later, dude. Fucking tomorrow. I'm always streaming. All right, y'all. Good luck in y'all's trading journey.